Hello guys and welcome back to EVwithRafiq. So today we are going to check out the versatile e-scooter. We are going to see about it everything. So let's get this video started. So this scooter comes in three variations: the VE45Li, VE55Li and VE90Li. You may be wondering what is VE45, 55, 90. These are the range which the vehicle provides with it. Today we are having with us VE55Li. It gives us 55 kilometers in a single charge. Yes, this small thing gives us 55 kilometers with a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. And the charging time for this model is between 4 to 6 hours. It comes with a 250 watt motor, a hub motor, which is over here to the rear wheel. For this bike, a 250 watt motor is powerful. It can pull a load of 150 kgs, which means two people can travel very easily. You won't believe me, right? Then check out this video. 1, 2, okay, versatile V45. 1, 2, 3, go. It's pulling very easily. You can see over there. I'm not even going on a road. I'm going on a mud road. Okay. Brake. Simple. So you just saw how it can pull easily two people. With a top speed of 25, two people can travel very easily in the location and surroundings. Here comes the technical specifications. This vehicle has a 250 kilowatt hub motor over here. First thing. Next thing, in the center, we have a lithium-ion battery pack. For the 45, 55 and 90, they have different battery capacity. So for the 45, VE45 variation, we have 36 volt 10 amp hour battery pack. For this one, the VE55 model, we have 36 volt 14 amp hour battery pack. Then when it comes to the VE90, any guesses? We have 36 volt 24 amp hour. Which means the VE90 model can give us 90 kilometers range. This small thing can give up to 90 kilometers. Just imagine how cool that is. It rides very smoothly. It has dual disc for the front and the rear. The brakings are over here. This is a throttle. The throttle itself has a key to on and off it with the indication of battery percentage of how much the battery is available with levels. Okay, when you come in the front, when you look at the front of this vehicle, this has a basket carrier. Here we can store our stuff while we are traveling. And we can even store over here. There's a lot of leg room over here, if I mean. So we can store over here. The next thing, here we have an LED light, a clear LED light, which runs at 36 volt. You don't need anything, so it's a very powerful. Trust me, the 36 volt LEDs, they range at a large voltage. So these LEDs are powerful. We are going to use one of these in our bicycle build also. I'll show you that in our upcoming videos. And this comes with an inbuilt horn. Over here to the left side, you can see an inbuilt horn, a horn switch. Here you have the LED light to turn on the light on off switch. Towards this side, you have throttle and a battery indicator with the on off key. Now, let me show you how it looks when someone is riding. It's simple. See, just take it up. Here, stand out. Okay. And just sit like this. See, it's a comfortable position. Okay, now if I turn it on, turn the key on, nothing to do, just hold it, go. It goes very smoothly, you can feel it. Brakes, they works very good. See, when I am coming back, you guys can see me right now coming over here. See the horn, testing of horn. Decent. LED light. Turn on, turn off. Very good. See, braking. The disc brakes are powerful. Yes, you won't believe me? See, I'll come from there in a speed and I'll brake it over here. You see me. Now, to show you the braking power of this, how well it can perform, see. Simple. Disc brakes are powerful. Front and rear discs. Now, see, it's simple. Just stand it, park it, turn it off. Simple. It's simple. See, it's done. This is about the bike. Now, let me show you how to charge this. You may ask me, you can't find a hole where to charge it. So, the charger hole is that side. Let me just turn the vehicle. Now you can see over here is a charging socket. With the vehicle you even get a charger. Okay, not a problem at all. See, from here you can just charge it plug it. That's it. Simple. Charge, unplug it, on it and go. You see how the pillion seat looks. See, if someone is driving, I can just keep my legs over here on up and he will drive, he'll keep his legs over there. Simple. It's easy. The versatile bikes are completely metal body. See, the frame, metal. The base, metal. The side for the footrest, those are metal. The handle and the front portion, everything is metal. And what's plastic? Except the mudguards, everything is metal. See, metal, 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 which means it's strong. It can handle a weight very easily. So, to carry any load, you can just sit here and you can place it over here in the front. It can be placed very easily. You can place your legs like this in the middle, it's done. But if you're a delivery vehicle person, you need to deliver every day. Like you have to deliver the goods or Amazon delivery person or food delivery person, whatever. Here you have a back support also. So when you wear a bag, the back support with this, the bag can rest over here and he can ride it very easily. Or he can even place it over here, the bag, and he can travel. This storage you saw, here we have a place to support, and here also we can use this to carry the bag. So now I'll be placing this camera bag in the front to show you that even this camera bag can fit in. You can see this is a normal camera bag, okay? Watch. This camera bag fits in perfect. Is it loose? No, it's free. It's good. It's correct in the place. Now if I sit here, even if I hold my tripods over here, or even if I keep it in the back, if I just tie it, so my camera bag is placed over here. I can just put the tripod and light stands and everything over here. For lights, I can place the bag over here. That's it. I'm ready to go. I'm just taking it out, oning it, and boom. That's it. It's simple. It goes easily. It pulls your weight even in the incline. Not at all a problem that you get down and no. Just sit and do. That's it. It has a very good power. You don't need to struggle with it. So, this was about VE55 model. All the models, they use lithium ion batteries. So, the VE45 and VE55 model take around 4 to 6 hours to charge. This takes the same. And VE90 model, the one with 90 kilometers range, takes only 4 hours of time to charge the battery pack. So, you may be wondering how much electricity does this consume? Like, will it increase your electricity bill? Absolutely not. Will it increase your money in your pocket? Absolutely yes. Because you won't be saving money on the petrol. So, you need to just charge it. To charge it, the whole battery pack, it takes only 0.5 unit, which is very less. So, the unit price in every state varies. In Telangana, how much I know per unit is almost like 12 or 13 rupees. Half, which is 5 to 6. Between 5 to 6 rupees, you can charge the whole battery pack. And can go up to 55 kilometers. Can you imagine? In 55 kilometers with a petrol vehicle, I need to pay at least 110 to 120 rupees of fuel. That 120 rupees and 6 rupees. See the comparison gap. So, as soon as possible, switch to an EV. EVs are a must. And it's the right time that you buy an EV and use it. So, for your local traveling to go to a grocery store or pick up anything in a close by area or even 55 kilometers is not a joke. You can go anywhere. With a top speed of 25, which is enough for the city traffic, you can go very smoothly. Even in small gaps, you can just go like this. So, shift to an EV and versatile is a best. If you are comparing other vehicles, if you don't want to get into a drastic change, you can go with this. And it even has cut-off power. If you press the brake and accelerate it, it won't go. What may happen? Because both brakes have a wire which will cut off the power if you press the brake. So, this was about the versatile e-scooter. This mini pocket e-scooter can pull easily. It's very smooth, very versatile as the name suggests. So, if you want to buy this vehicle, you can go check out the Green Ride e-bikes, which is at Radhika. We even reviewed the store. The owner of the store, Mr. Anil, explained us everything about the store and the policies. You can check out the video over here. About the price and everything, you can just contact him. I'll leave all of the details, the address of the shop and the phone number in the description below. So contact him, check out the vehicle and have one. Thank you for watching.